Hello viewers and friends. Today I am going to teach you the Ratva Sandhi. Ratva Sandhi is the part of that NCERT Sanskrit class 10 grammar, one of the part. Okay. And before that also I told to you that Ratva Sandhi, Utva Sandhi and Sattva Sandhi. These are the part of Visarga Sandhi. So this formula you should not forget. That is the Rosh. Rosh means in Ratva Sandhi, Ra will take the place. In Uttva Sandhi, Okar will take the place. And Sattva Sandhi, this is Talvesa, Dantasa and Murdhanasa. This will take the place. That is the. So Ratva Sandhi, what I told you, Ra will take the place, means half Ra. Okay. So before teaching to you, I have to request you, please, if you didn't subscribe yet my channel, please do subscribe, and whatever that new video I will upload, it should be brought into your notification so you can enjoy my class. Okay, I will not delay. Now Saratva Sandhi, today I didn't write any definition because here no need of definition, only things that short form I wrote to you. There are two parts I made like this. Okay, so here you see what is written here, Vinna Swaraha. This is Vinna Swaraha, means before this plus means your left side, Vinna Swaraha will be there, means Swara will be there. Vinna means a different type of Swara, but left side except A and A. Left side A and A should not be there. A and A won't be there. Please try to understand. But other swara will come. Any swara. Either E, bari E, choti U, bari U, Ri, A, O, whatever will be. Left side, other swara will come. Except O and A. O and A should not come left side. Then Visarga. Plus, followed by whom? Swaraha. Swara means any swara. O, A, E, U. Then 3, 4, 5. Already several times I told you 3, 4, 5 means you have to understand. Suppose I am writing your Ku class. Under Ku class 3 letter what will come? Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha and Ya. Suppose Ku, Chu, Tu, Tupu formula. Chu ka what will be 3? Already Cha, then Ja, Jha and Ga. This 3 letter will come. Okay. Kuberg, Chuberg, Tuberg, what will come? Ta, then Da, Dha, Ra. Means this Ku, Chu, Tu, Tu, Pu. Already this formula several times, every time I told to you, should not forget. So 3, 4 means third letter, fourth letter and fifth letter. So right side or followed by swara or third or fourth or fifth or Yar, Ra, La, Va, Ha. Anyone. Right side. Then what will be consequence? Consequence will be there. This Visarga will converted into the half Ra. This is the Ratva Sandhi's main formula. Okay, this Visargasya. See here I wrote Shashti Vyakti I used. Visargasya converted into the Ra. Or this Visarga you can say converted into the Ra. Only that. Suppose you could not understand. You always, I used to say that follow this example. You see here Mahisihi plus iti. Mahisihi plus iti. See before the plus, what they told, O and A should not come, but any other while or Vinna Swara means different Swara should come. So suppose C, example that, suppose you try to understand, C is there. If you see, if you will break, okay, or disjoin, what will come? Murdana Sha plus, if you will add the matra means bari E, okay, letter means bari and matra means what? Like this. Or then afterwards what is the plus Visarga. Clear? So this see the before Visarga what is there? Before Visarga bari is there. Means Bhinna Swara is there, but O I not there. Then afterwards what is that? Followed by who? Followed by they told either Swaraha. See, E is the Swara. Here anything will come, any Swara. Then 3, 4, 5. Suppose here see 3. Okay, Ga. Ga is the part of that ku class third letter. Ka, kha, ga. Okay, so third letter or fourth letter or fifth letter. So here see E came, Mahisi plus E. So this Visarga, that's why I wrote here Visarga will convert it into the half ra. So Visarga converted into the half ra. After what is there? E is there. So E. So ra plus E is equal to Ri. So that's why Mahisi Riti. Visarga already disappeared. Okay. Visarga omitted. And this Visarga converted into the ra, half ra plus E is equal to Mahisi Riti. Here also see Munihi Gachati. If this here also you try to understand, I am giving one or two example to you. Suppose Munihi na visargaha. Na visarga. If you will disjoin or break, what will come? Na plus choti. If later you will be choti plus or symbol is choti, symbol is the like this plus visargaha. So this visarga will convert it to the half ra. Half ra. But before the visarga, what is came? Choti E came, choti E. But O I is not there. Plus Ga is there. Ga is the third letter of the ku classes, ku varga. Okay. So this visarga converted into the ra plus Ga. So it become arga, means rep Ga. Okay. So this is half rep, then Ga. So Munir Gachati. Ra omitted. So visarga omitted. And ra came Munir Gachati. Half ra plus arga. Munir Gachati. Again another see Dhenuhu. Dhenuhu also suppose here you take suppose Nu Visargaha. Nu. So what is called? Na. Then after what is coming? U coming. U. U letter. Or Visargaha. Or U symbol, you know, choti symbol U like this. Okay. So this is the. So Visarga will convert it into the ra and plus dha. Ra plus dha is equal to ardha. So Dhenur Dhavatihi. Visarga converted into the half ra. These are the Visarga. Okay, these are the Visarga. So ra, half ra. You see everywhere. Ra, Visarga converted into the ra, then dha. Okay, but this side, always left side, keep it in mind. That different type of swara will come. Okay, but O and A should not come. But right side followed by here, swara, any swara, either maybe O, A, E, U, Ri, A, O, whatever may be. Or 3, 4, 5 means Guavarg, Chauvarg, Tovarg, Tovarg, whatever the third letter, fourth letter, fifth letter, and your all anything will come here. Then Visarga will be omitted and it will convert it into the half ra. Then plus whatever that it will be joined. This is one part. Another part is there now. Abhyay Sambandhi Visargaha. Must you note down this formula up to this much, and this formula Abhyay Sambandhi Visargaha plus Swaraha 3, 4, 5 Yaralavaha. Then Visarga will convert it into the ra. This is they are telling to you. Visarga will convert it into the ra. Okay. Visarga, this Visarga will convert it into the ra. Okay. Means half ra. So Abhyay, what do you mean by Abhyay? Abhyay, you have to understand the Abhyay Sambandhi Visarga, left side. Okay. Then followed by who? Swaraha. Then either 3, 4, 5 of the classes or Yaralavaha. Then Visarga, this Visarga will convert it into the ra, half ra. What do you mean by Abhyay? Abhyay means which will always be constant. It will never change. Okay. Like suppose Ling, Vibhakti or Bachan. What is the Ling? Ling means gender in English. Okay. Suppose masculine gender, feminine gender or neutral gender. It will be the same. Then your Bachanam, Ek Bachanam, Dui Bachanam, Bahubachanam means singular number, dual number and plural number. And Vibhakti, Prathama Bhakti, Dvitiya Bhakti, Tritiya Bhakti. So Abhyay definition is there which won't be changed in any circumstance. Always it will be the constant in the either in gender or in number or in Vibhakti. So you see Pratha, you always everywhere wherever you will read, you can see Pratha is Pratha. Pratha won't be never like a Prate, Pratabhyam, Prataya, like this, not. Always Pratha in Sanskrit, wherever it is written, Pratah. Suppose punah, always will get the punah. Where it will never get punarabhyam, sorry, pune, punariti, or whatever, maybe punascha, means vibhakti won't become. Okay, so punaya, punabhyam, punascha, it will not. It will be always punaha. So pratah gachati. See here, no need to see anything either swara or something. Already abhyay they gave to you. Abhyay. So pratah is the abhyay. This abhyay. Okay. And gachati. So visarga omitted and visarga converted into the, this is called rape. Rape means raw. Okay. So this visarga plus ga is equal to raw gachati. Pratah gachati. Here also same thing. Here also same thing. So punaha plus aste. This visarga converted into the half raw. This visarga converted into the half raw. Plus what is there? A. So it will become ra. So that's why puna, here you follow puna raste. Here also you can see follow also, suppose pratha udeti. This visarga converted, pratha is the abhyay. So visarga converted into the raw, half raw. Then what is there? Plus u. So it became a ru. That's why here came pratha rudeti. Here also you just 1 second you just follow. This pratha gachati, pratha is the abhyay. So what is there? Visarga converted into the raw plus ga. Okay, so what happened? Arg. Like pratar gachati. Pratar gachati. So my last request to all of you, that you must copy it everything properly. Properly you must copy in your note copy and do practice nicely. Okay. Just a little bit ink became dry. So I'm writing properly so you can get also nicely. Pratar gachati. Okay. Please copy it and read it.